Hey guys, welcome to the video. Thanks to Sony Productions and Marvel, I'm in the new Spider-Man movie, and because of that, I get to fly down the red carpet. So there's lots of prep to do for that. Let's get ready. Okay guys, I'm flying at the premiere coming up, and I'm gonna have to fly through a 10-foot section, and there's gonna be fans on both sides of it. I've got stakes set up here, and there's a path. This is exactly what the premiere is gonna be like. Okay. So I'm gonna have these guys on both sides of the stick as real people, and then we also have a wacky inflatable tube man and Ben. So these guys are gonna be real people. I'm gonna fly through this, and this is my test for the premiere to see what happens, and hopefully I don't hit anybody.
We're your test subjects before the real thing then, right? Is that how it's going?
It's you or the casting crew of Spider-Man. I feel like, I don't know. We gotta take one for the team.
Are we in any danger right now?
No!
Hunter's doing a test run right now, and he's using us as test subjects.
Oh great, I'm gonna go inside.
Alright guys, comment down below if you guys think
Sam's gonna get chopped up. Yeah.
I'm not getting chopped up because I'm sprinting.
We got Liz also having a show.
Oh wait, is that the SkySurfer?
No! Who's that?
It's Green Goblin.
What? Here he comes. Oh no. Oh my!
Oh man, good thing we're practicing this in advance, right? I mean, did I get close to you, or?
You almost hit us.
Oh, I was looking down, I didn't really see. I made it to the final destination though, so I feel like that's one good thing.
Hey, and took like 5 people out along the way, so.
Sorry casting crew of Spider-Man, but you might want to watch out because this is a little sketch. So today I'm meeting up with Marvel to do some costume design. They've got a mask from 2 movies back that they want to try and fit onto me. Apparently the current movie was done in CGI, so they don't have any masks, but there's an old costume and an old helmet actually from the movie, and we're gonna try and fit some of my gear onto it. Lisa, this is my designer / stylist friend. This is the suit. Looks pretty legit. Since the helmet's from a real movie, we couldn't modify it, but luckily we know someone who can make an exact replica.
This here is a 3D printed model that was then molded. Most people who get them for display, so it's not like fully finished on the inside for wear.
So for the event, they actually want me to fly inside a tent, which means I can only go a couple feet off the ground, which means I don't need a helmet. So I'm actually thinking to fly with this. Foam would help just to make sure it's like stuck in place.
Yeah.
And then in the future, if I want to use a helmet, I could just like, put the front half on the helmet itself, and then with that I could just wear a hoodie or something so you can't see the back. The new movie's doing
I got
anyways.
the hoodie over here if you want to take a look at it. It's basically, your hobo goblin.
Yeah, this is sick.
Fashion.
Okay, so it's 10:30 at night, and we just finished the mask. But it got really cold, and so the paint wasn't drying. Thanks for the time, and doing this at 10:30 at night. All right, and I guess back to the house. Okay, I just heard Bailey's here, so I'm gonna go see if I can find him and surprise him. See what he says. The dogs don't like it. Oh, what up, dude?
You got the mask.
What do you think? How does it look?
Please touch it.
Yeah.
Is that the actual?
So this is like an exact model, because I can't mess up the movie one.
You're actually gonna fly with that on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
As long as I'm close to the ground. I'm not going high. Bro, check this out. Yo, what do you think of this? Isn't that insane?
So cool.
Dude, this thing is like handmade. I can see like really well actually. Doesn't it look legit? Okay, so the event is a little bit concerned, and that's because LAPD is throwing around random comments all over the place, but none of them make sense. It's like they're worried about the wind that might push against their car, which is hanging from a crane, and they're thinking that could knock it over. So little things like that they're worried about, which are the wrong things. So I'm gonna go through and try and check all the boxes, everything that I need to do in advance to make this flight happen, and hope that that's enough to start convincing to like push them over to say, okay, it's fine. Step 1 is gonna be requesting prior authorization to fly in this airspace. It's a Class D. I'm gonna give the air traffic control tower a call right now. Hey, I was looking to request prior authorization for a flight taking place on Monday for the Spider-Man premiere. We were gonna do like a flight that's a foot off the ground underneath a tent. It's a simple display of the aircraft just to get like photos for like press and media.
And it's just gonna be the one flight, or are you doing any test flights before that?
Nope, just the one flight.
Okay, Hunter, sounds good. I'll have my soup give you a call.
Thank you, appreciate it. Cool. The supervisor's gonna call me back. Okay, so step 2. It is unlawful to take off from a public road unless you have prior approval from that jurisdiction. location. So that doesn't apply if I take off from private property. So there's other ways to do it without involving LAPD. So I'm gonna try and like organize and set up a couple of those scenarios in advance. I've got here a map of the location, right? What we've got, a bunch of these little like restaurants over in this area. Anyways, I asked them first, they're gonna call back at 3. I'm gonna call back from no caller ID.
Supervisor over here at the Santa Monica Air Traffic Control Tower. You want to let us know that you were going to be operating a hoverboard?
Yeah, that's right, for the Spider-Man movie.
How high are you going to be off the ground?
Just no more than 2 feet.
Oh, okay, not a problem. You can go as high as 5 feet, all right, which is fine. I really don't see a problem with that.
Thanks, Robert. Okay, so let's recap. Currently, these 2 locations have given permission to fly, and then we have the airspace approval. Now I can legally fly, and the Premier can continue if they want to. So while they make that decision, let's go ahead and try some test flights with this mask and see if I can even see out of it while I'm up in the air.
Yo, what the heck is going on in the backyard? What is that noise?
Yo, Andrew, come look at this.
What is it?
What is going on out there?
I don't know. Bro, what? Is that the Green Goblin? Oh my god, it's the Green Goblin! I thought this was only in movies!
Alright, these guys haven't seen the mask. I'm all dressed up for the event. I'm gonna go show it to them. This is what I'm gonna walk down the red carpet with. Yo, does it look legit?
Oh,
How does it look?
That's sick.
I've got Ryan's approval, so there we go.
Crazy. It looks so good.
Bailey's gonna dress up as Spider-Man. I'm gonna chase him around.
Yeah, like this.
Yo.
Look great. I can't wait for the red carpet pics.
Where are you going with that tonight?
We're going to the premiere.
I can come?
Yep.
Oh my god, let's go.
I haven't told Ryan anything. I need you to just own it. You are Spider-Man. If anybody asks. 9 minutes away. I'm excited for it. It's actually really hype.
Everyone's gonna be like, you're the guy who flew like the Green Goblin?
Nobody's gonna know that till they see the movie.
That's-
So this is gonna be a battle to explain.
Seen any cuts of it?
Guys, Spider-Man dies.
Whoa, what is going on?
Alright, she's waving us through.
No, he's in the movie.
We're gonna follow the leader.
I can't wait for you to see it. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Is it a close replica to the real one?
Pretty sure you might have taken that from the
I
set.
did see the real one.
You have the keys to the kingdom, my friend.
There we go.
With great responsibility comes great, I don't remember what goes.
Alright, you see this over here? I was gonna be flying
Right
through
now.
this tent.
Like right now.
Right now.
Like this moment, you would have been doing
I
it.
would be in the air. They were worried about that car.
That's what they were worried about?
The car they were worried. That's the last of everybody coming through. So now we're gonna go check out the movie and actually see what this clip looks like.
This is my vlog now. I'm excited to see the movie. I'm excited to see you in the movie.
Hey, I'm gonna yell so loud.
That's me!
Let's go. So it turned out rain ruined the opportunity for me to fly down the red carpet, but overall it was still a great experience to be able to walk it and watch the movie with the cast and crew. Comment down below if you saw me in the movie.